Hello, once again, this is Dan, the website man. I am going to teach you in this lesson another using an app to create attributes and variables instead of how my prior video we use the actual attributes and variables for an e-commerce website to have different options. Now, sometimes that's extremely hard for people, which is why there's this amazing plugin, which took me forever to even find one that was a good one. So eventually I found this one, Simple Product Options for WooCommerce. So I downloaded that plugin. That plugin is what allows me to do exactly what attributes and variables would do. So last time, let's go back to all products. Okay. Let's view last time. This is how we had it, right? 3 different colors, 3 different sizes. Now, what I'm going to do is do the same thing, except using a plugin. All right, so let us get started. Of course, first, you always want to go to a new product. Okay. Once the plugin is downloaded and activated, this is a screen that will show up when you scroll down. It doesn't matter if it's a simple product, variable product, etc. We're just going to keep it as a simple product, just using it as an example. So, let me open this in a new tab. So what we have, like I showed you, was small, medium, large, green, blue, and yellow. We're going to do the same exact thing, except using this plugin. Now keep in mind, this plugin can be used for anything, such as a restaurant if they want, let's make an example. They want a plain pizza, but they want to add pepperoni and sausage. You can do that as well. But since we are using clothing and fashion, that's what we're going to stick to right now. So, our first attribute that we had was size. So, what we're going to do is we're going to come down here again to the custom options, which should be there as soon as your plugin is activated. You click add option, and this is pretty much the same thing as what an attribute would be. So what we're going to do is, once again, type size. What's really awesome about this is you have several different ways to display what your options will be. Generally, I like to use drop-down menus, or if there are several options to click that you can click multiple, like I used the pizza for as an example, I would use radio buttons, and then you could just click whichever one that you would like. So let's just go with checkbox, okay? And so, like I said, here's our attribute size. We're just going to use checkbox, add new row. Here's where we put our variables. So small was $10. Then there was the medium. which was $15. And then we had our large, which was $20. Now, what this has just done is pretty much exactly what would have happened if we went into variable products and attributes you added, and then you added variables, values, and whatnot. So that is for a more advanced. This is for a beginner or anybody that just wants to use this plugin. Make sure it is tested with your version of WordPress. Do not take chances of taking any plugins, and those will cause a break in your site. So, getting back to this, now we're going to add another option. In other words, another attribute. What else do we have? Color. Alright. What kind of input should we put? We'll just do regular drop down. It is required. And then we're gonna put right here like a variable, like above. So we have a green shirt. Now the price does not change for whatever the color is, so you do not need to put anything there in the price. Next we had a yellow shirt, and we have a blue shirt. What we do, update. Make sure this is updated. So now you're going to come down. Just want you to double check everything you had done. I have chose two different input types just so you could see two different options, both a checkbox or drop down. So now that we've updated the page, we've published the page, let's view. So here, after you see using the app, here was what the original attributes and variations that I had shown you earlier. But so that is pretty much what I was trying to show you today, is this wonderful plugin that makes it very easy and simple in case you have an issue with the attributes or values. Well, I guess that pretty much wraps it up. And here is why that plugin is so amazing. If anybody has any questions, just drop a comment, and I'd be happy to get back to you. If you like this video, give me a like. And I look forward to seeing you guys soon. I hope I taught you guys something. Check me out at dmwebsitedesign.com. I'll see you soon.